Taiwan, a beautiful island located on the Pacific Ocean, is vulnerable to many natural hazards. For instance, floodings, landslides, and earthquakes. Those natural disasters seriously impact people's lives by causing huge damage to properties and the economy.
To face the problem, we designed a smart house that is able to resist the great loss natural disasters bring. Let's build smartly and live wisely.
First, material.
For a start, we will use recycled steel to build the structure of the smart house.
Recycled as the steel is, its natural qualities are retained. Its inherent strong performance characteristics include durability, reliability, and versatility. On the other hand, every ton of recycled steel will save approximately 1/2 tons of coal and 1.5 tons of iron ore. Rather than sitting in the junkyard, the recycled steel can be used again, reducing the waste in landfill. As for the floor of our building, we will use cork as the main material. There are air pockets in the cork, which makes it resilient for floors. They give the cork an ability in insulating, which can store the heat and insulate the noise. Being used to be the cap of wine, corks are also resistant to moisture and any liquid. Since Taiwan is a place with high humidity, this makes it a good material for buildings in Taiwan. Furthermore,
Cork is made from tree bark, and harvesting tree bark causes the tree no harm.
In addition, we can apply nano coating, a durable and effective protective layer on walls. It makes the surface layer repel dry particles, water, oil, and dirt and keep the walls clean for a relatively longer time. Besides, nano coating is resistant to scratches and helps improve the wall's hardness. It's even antibacterial. Lastly, anti-UV window films will be applied on our window. They shield it from up to 78% of solar heat and filter visible light. At the same time, they block up to 99% of harmful UV rays to help protect your furnishings and your skin. And the non-metallized films provide amazing clarity so they won't spoil your view.
Second, energy. In the aspect of energy supply, we decided to implement the Home Energy Management System, namely HEMS. It is a technology platform that allows users to monitor energy usage and production, and to manually control and automate the use of energy within their household. On one hand, the hardware of the HEMS usually consists of a hub device. Its essential components can include smart plugs, light, temperature sensors, and smart devices within the home. On the other hand, the software of HEMS monitors data and controls functions of the system. It takes the form of an app that can be installed on the owner's portable devices. Much more, the software enables users to control the device remotely or automatically. Besides, HEMS also allows machine learning to take over and run the system semi-automatically. It can thus reach the goal of increasing the energy effectiveness or efficiency of the house. As for the source of electricity, we implement Smart Flower, a ground-mounted, self-containing solar panel system. First, the system includes a sun tracker and a number of high-tech features. When panels close at night, the panels clean themselves through brushes attached to the back of each panel. Second, it monitors and considers weather conditions when deciding if it should fold together for protection. Third, the system contains 5.5 kilowatt-hours of battery storage, which is equal to the weekly electricity consumption of a family. Lastly, the Smart Flower is an internet-connected device. Users can access information about their system and connect it with HEMS. The minimum power generation of a Smart Flower in a year is 3,800 kilowatt-hours. According to Taipower, each household in Taiwan consumed about 3,600 kilowatt-hours of electricity per year.
In this case, Smart Flower is surely capable of providing sufficient electricity for a household in Taiwan.
Third, water. We adopted the rainwater harvesting system with an underground smart tank to collect and store rainwater. Rainwater runoff is captured from the roof of a building from its drainage system. With filters less than 1,000 microns in the pipes, very little organic matter or debris reaches the tank. After a certain predefined amount of water is collected, quality of water is tested with a set of predefined parameters. If the test passes, the water is sent to the household water supply system. If the test fails, the water cleaning system will filter the water until it meets the purity parameters or discard the water. Since the water quality is measured before being sent out, the quality of water in the supply system is maintained. In addition, an underground rain harvesting tank is also useful in the reduction of flood risk. With digital information such as rainfall forecast, the smart tank releases some tank water before the heavy rain. To sum up, the system brings cost savings for property owners as it provides water sources economically and eco-friendly.
Fourth, earthquake prevention. Taiwan is a part of the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt. We need to protect the smart house and ourselves from the disaster. Before an earthquake, we implement the on-site AI earthquake early warning system developed by the National Center for Research on Earthquake Engineering. It is an AI model with 300 pieces of earthquake data, robust enough to reach 89% of accuracy. The system will ring the 5 to 20 seconds advance warning before the earthquake hits, helping people to protect themselves. During the earthquake, when receiving the emergency notification from the system, the HEMS directly stops the energy supply and auto down the glass line to minimize the damage. After the earthquake warning system gives users a flash report within 30 minutes, which helps users get to know the structure status and take next steps.
Fifth, security. Out of security reasons, 2 smart monitors are installed. One be installed in the living room, one be used for outdoor security. Moreover, a smart locker can play an important role in guarding the smart building. The smart locker has multiple ways to unlock, including fingerprints, code, and key. It also boasts user-friendly functions such as lock automatically and unlock record to help guarantee home security. As for fire prevention, the smart fire alarm will detect smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide and give voice warning. The fire warning system is also connected to HEMS, which can automatically turn on the sprinklers to put out the fire in time.
Sixth, details. To maintain indoor air quality, we will install a smart range hood in the kitchen, and with different sensors, it can detect the amount of gas, smoke, CO, temperature, humidity, and PM 2.5. In the bathroom, the smart water heating system is used for water heating. The system uses the water temperature measurements along with water consumption patterns or preset instructions. It can also be connected to cell phones and be controlled and monitored in real time. Besides, a smart toilet allows users to set water pressure, temperature, and drying temperature all via remote control. It can also detect the arrival of users, which saves energy. An eco-friendly bulb, namely LED, has a much better durability than that of a traditional one. As for saving energy, producing the same amount of brightness as a 60-watt incandescent light bulb, a LED only needs 12 watts. With inverter-type air conditioners, temperature is adjusted by changing motor speed. Air conditioners with inverters has less power loss and can save energy. As the air conditioning system is connected to HEMS, users can turn it on before arriving home with portable devices.
7th, cost. Above all are the cost of things that we have mentioned. The total cost of our design is $993,800 NT, which equals 26,832.6 pounds.
That's it for our smart home design. Let's build smartly, live wisely. Thank you for watching.